How to turn on multiple languages on Facebook. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on multiple languages on Facebook. If at the end of this video guys you find it so helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now guys, first thing to do is to open up your Facebook, then go ahead and click your menu profile here. Just click on it. Then from here guys, scroll up until you get to settings and privacy. Click on settings and privacy. Now under this settings and privacy guys, go ahead and click on settings. When you click on settings, it will bring you to this page. Just scroll up until you get to language and region. Click on language and region. When you click on it, it will bring you to this page. Now from this listed option guys, go ahead and click on the last option, which is share your post in multiple languages. Click on it. When you click on it guys, it will bring up this page like this. Now share your post in multiple language. Write post in more than one languages. If you want to turn it on, just click on this button, then you can see you have turned it on. After that, go ahead and click on save. That means whatever post you make on your Facebook, it will appear in all languages. If you want to turn it off, go ahead and click on this on. Then you can see it has bring out the off option. Then go ahead and click on save. So guys, that is how to turn on and turn off multiple languages on Facebook. If you find this video so helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, give it a thumbs up and turn on the notification bell for more updates so that you'll be notified whenever I drop my video. Thanks for watching guys. See you guys in the next video.